mermaid lashes. This is going to be hectic. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, so I'm here at Envious Lashes here with a celebrity lash stylist, Clementina Richardson. So she's actually going to be helping me do this mermaid lash that we have here. So can you tell me a little bit about the trend?
Well, it's all about color. So what we're going to do is going to do a combination of purple, blue. Of course, we need to add some black in there along with some red. So the extensions are attached directly to the natural lash using a medical grade adhesive. 2 tweezers, there's no touching of the eyes whatsoever. You definitely want to use a combination of different lengths, different curvatures in order to contour and create whatever artistic style you're going for.
We're going to show you all the different colors I have here, so let's get into it.
Let's do it.
So first step is the consultation process.
You have like really great natural lashes. So in order to best accentuate your eyes, I'll have to decide what type of curvature would look best on you.
Okay.
Now, turn facing forward. So what I'm looking at is the curvature of a natural lash, which is super, super straight.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
You can see that they just stick straight out. So we want them to lift up.
Lift.
If your lashes grow on one straight line, that means that your lashes are very sparse. Color-wise, I'm thinking at least 3 colors.
Okay, so let's have a look at the colors.
Okay, so here we have red, we have the gold tone, we have green, purple, blue, teal, and the lilac. That's what it looks like when it's individual. I'm not gonna do the green because I don't want you to look like Christmas. So I'm thinking red, blue, purple. Yeah.
And we decided on the cat eye, was it?
Yeah.
So the longest ones would be on the outer corner?
Yes, because of this type of styling we're doing a cat eye. So yes, the longest is definitely on the outer corners.
I'm so curious what the red looks like.
Everyone has the same reaction when they look in the mirror, like, oh, oh, I thought it was gonna be brighter. I'm like, no. The left hand is holding an isolation tweezer. And then once it's isolated, I pick up a strand with my right hand and attach it to the existing natural lash. So what this does, it cures the bond, and it's also good for the stinging.
Feels good.
At this point, I actually hadn't seen what I look like, but it kind of felt like a peacock was on my eye. Let's move on to the other half of the eyes and we'll do the big reveal at the end.
Everyone's lifestyle is different, so I have to see what they like. So showing pictures, the way a client actually wears their makeup too also helps me out. Because if you wear a dramatic smoky eye, that tells me you want like a lots of volume and you like a dramatic look. And what necessarily looks good on your friend may not look good on you. Everyone has 2 different eye shapes, different skin tone, different natural lashes, different textures. So take a look and tell me what you think about them.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they're so natural. Oh my god,
When you see both of them together, it just completes the look. And we give her a nice like almond shape. We transferred slowly into purple, red combination. Of course, black is throughout the entire lash line. We went back again with purples, a little bit of blue, reds, and black.
And the longer ones were towards the outer end.
Towards the outer end. So now her eyes look like round and almond.
Yeah, they are rounder, even though we did the cat eye.
Yes.
This is definitely wearable. Like coming in, I was like, mermaid lashes, this is going to be hectic.
Yeah, that's
it's
usually
crazy.
We always get the same reaction. People always think it's gonna be more dramatic than it actually is. And you're like, oh, I could definitely do this.
Yeah. All right, guys, so as you can see, it was not intimidating at all. It's mermaid lashes, but it's still so wearable. And there's like pops of color that I just didn't think would show up the way it did. Was this what you envisioned at the beginning when we were like, let's do it?
You know what? It came out fuller than I thought it was gonna come out because her natural lashes are really dense. She has like many different layers. I would say throughout her lash line, she has anywhere from like 2 to 4 different layers of lashes.
Yeah, who knew there were layers of lashes, right?
Layers of lashes are good because the more layers you have, the fuller look you can achieve.
And this one here actually guessed almost to the T how many lashes was on my right right side just by
Yes.
looking at it. You guess 115 and there
And
was 100.
113.
Wow.
I've been doing it so long, I can kind of just like eyeball it. I can just see from the density. I'm like, oh, it looks about.
It's about that.
I was on point.
So how would you say is a good way to maintain or like to make them stay this way?
Obviously, no rubbing the eyes whatsoever. Try to avoid touching them with your fingers like this because the fingertips, you tend to have oil on your fingers and oil is not good for the extensions.
Right.
What it does is going to break down the bond and make your lashes shed prematurely. No picking of the lashes whatsoever. So as far as makeup removers, it must be oil free.
So this just sped up my morning process so much quicker. I don't have to do mascara and all that jazz.
And you definitely do not want to apply mascara over the lash extensions. You're going to be creating excessive weight on them.
So thank you so much, Clem, for having me here at MBS Lashes. If you guys are curious, it's on 31st and 5th. So check it out if you want to advance your lash game. Make yourself fabulous.
Yes, and we'll customize you.
And we'll see you later. Bye.